Let's get one thing straight. You don't have to spend your life paying for car problems. Some vehicles are built to last. Others, they're built to break. In 2026, thousands of drivers are losing hard-earned money on repairs, maintenance, and replacements that never end. But the truth is, you don't have to be one of them. Welcome to Luxury Wheels Hub Official. Subscribe and like this video, because we don't just talk about cars, we talk about smart investments on wheels. Today, I'm revealing 9 SUVs you can buy in 2026 that will keep you driving confidently, without ever worrying about costly repairs again. Top 9. The Ford Escape Hybrid. Priced between $30,000 and $38,000, proves that dependable and affordable SUVs still exist in 2026. It's a practical choice for drivers who want efficiency, simplicity, and long-term reliability without paying luxury prices. The Escape Hybrid's proven 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivers smooth performance with an impressive 42 Nm city and 36 mph highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Its hybrid system has been refined over the years, minimizing maintenance issues and keeping repair costs low. Owners consistently praise its comfortable ride, excellent visibility, and user-friendly controls, all designed to make driving stress-free. Ford's attention to everyday usability shines in its roomy cabin and flexible cargo space, making it ideal for both families and commuters. Top 8. The Kia Sportage Hybrid. Priced between $31,500 and $38,000, has quietly become one of the most reliable and value-packed SUVs in 2026. Built with precision and backed by one of the best warranties in the industry, 10 years or 100,000 miles. It's a vehicle that offers peace of mind from day one. The Sportage Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter turbo engine with electric power, giving it excellent fuel economy, quick acceleration, and a smooth, refined drive. Kia's engineering focus on durability means fewer mechanical issues and lower long-term maintenance costs, which is why more drivers are choosing it as a dependable daily companion. The cabin feels far more premium than its price suggests. Soft touch materials, comfortable seating, and a modern dashboard layout make it both stylish and easy to use. It's packed with features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane follow assist, all standard, making safety effortless. Top 7. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Priced between $32,000 and $39,000, stands out in 2026 as one of the smartest buys for anyone who wants style, technology, and reliability without breaking the bank. Hyundai has built a reputation for long warranties and low ownership costs, and the Tucson Hybrid continues that legacy with confidence. Its 1.6-liter turbo hybrid engine delivers a smooth balance of power and efficiency, offering up to 38 Nm combined. Impressive for a compact SUV with strong acceleration. The ride feels composed and quiet, with excellent handling and a suspension tuned for comfort. Inside, the Tucson feels upscale, with modern design, premium materials, and a dashboard that's simple to navigate without overwhelming technology. It also comes with Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, giving buyers unmatched peace of mind. Top 6. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Priced between $33,000 and $40,000, has become one of the most dependable and cost-efficient SUVs on the market in 2026. It's the kind of vehicle you buy once and enjoy for years without worrying about repair bills or reliability issues. Toyota's hybrid system is unmatched in its durability, offering smooth transitions between gas and electric power with almost zero maintenance headaches. Owners regularly report driving well over 200,000 miles with little more than routine service, a rarity in today's automotive world. The RAV4 Hybrid delivers excellent fuel economy, averaging around 40 mph, saving thousands over time while providing strong, confident performance on the road. The interior is practical and comfortable, with intuitive controls, great visibility, and the kind of simplicity Toyota is known for. Top 5. The Mazda CX-5. Priced between $31,995 and $40,000, continues to be one of the most balanced and dependable SUVs you can buy in 2026. It blends refined design, sharp handling, and exceptional build quality, all while maintaining a reputation for long-term reliability. Mazda has mastered the art of creating vehicles that feel premium without demanding luxury-level maintenance costs, and the CX-5 is proof of that philosophy. Its Skyactiv engine technology ensures smooth, efficient performance, with fewer mechanical issues over time, and owners consistently report low repair frequencies, even after years of use. Inside, the CX-5 feels more expensive than it is. Soft materials, intuitive controls, and an elegant, minimalist layout make every drive enjoyable. Unlike many SUVs that sacrifice driving feel for comfort, the CX-5 offers both, with a responsive steering system and a ride that remains stable and composed on any road. Top 4. The Subaru Outback. Priced between $30,000 and $43,000, remains one of the most trusted SUVs for drivers who value reliability, safety, and adventure without the high cost of ownership. In 2026, it continues to dominate its niche as the go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle that rarely needs anything more than basic maintenance. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is legendary, providing rock-solid stability in rain, snow, or gravel, while still keeping fuel economy strong for its size. The Outback's engine and transmission are built to last, with many owners easily surpassing 200,000 miles without major repairs. Inside, it's practical yet comfortable. A roomy interior, excellent visibility, and user-friendly tech that doesn't overwhelm. Safety has always been Subaru's strength, and the latest Outback includes advanced driver assist features like eyesight, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist as standard. Top 3. The Lexus RX 350e. Priced between $52,000 and $62,000, is where luxury and reliability come together perfectly. A combination few vehicles in 2026 can match. It's built for drivers who want elegance without the headache of endless maintenance bills. Underneath its sleek, refined body lies Toyota's proven hybrid powertrain, delivering excellent fuel efficiency and one of the most durable systems in the luxury market. The RX 350e glides effortlessly on the road, with a whisper-quiet cabin, buttery smooth suspension, and power that feels both refined and confident. Inside, you're surrounded by craftsmanship, soft touch materials, intuitive technology, and seats designed for true comfort on long drives. But what really separates this SUV from others in its class is its dependability. Top 2. The Honda CR-V Hybrid. Priced between $34,000 and $41,000, is one of those SUVs that quietly proves its worth year after year. It doesn't try to impress you with flashy gimmicks. It wins you over with reliability, efficiency, and simplicity. In 2026, it continues to lead its class as one of the most dependable SUVs on the road. Honda's hybrid system delivers smooth acceleration and fuel economy that easily exceeds 40 km/h, saving owners hundreds every year in gas costs. But what truly makes the CR-V Hybrid stand out is its long-term ownership experience. Maintenance costs are minimal, parts are affordable, and serious mechanical issues are rare. The interior is spacious and comfortable with excellent visibility and user-friendly controls, perfect for drivers who value practicality over pretense. It also holds its value exceptionally well, making it a strong financial choice for smart buyers. Top 1. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Priced between $42,000 and $51,000, continues to prove why it's one of the smartest SUVs money can buy in 2026. This is not just a family hauler. It's a long-term investment in peace of mind. Toyota's legendary hybrid technology gives you both power and fuel efficiency, averaging up to 36 miles combined, a huge advantage in an era of rising fuel prices. The Highlander Hybrid is built to last well past 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance, and owners consistently report fewer repairs than nearly any other SUV in its class. Its interior is quiet, refined, and spacious, designed for comfort on long journeys or everyday errands. Repairs drain wealth, reliability builds it. These 9 SUVs are the vehicles of smart investors, not just drivers. They save you money, time, and stress, letting you focus on living, not fixing. So before you buy your next SUV, remember, value isn't in the price tag. It's in the peace of mind that comes after. If this video helped you make a smarter choice, like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Wheels Hub Official, where every video helps you drive wiser, stronger, and wealthier.